Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype. To know how to find a solution about Skype app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of Skype. When you find this page of app info, you will enter to first stop. Then we click OK. After that we click on storage. Here in this page we click on first stop, clear cache, like this, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.